Okay, hi everyone. So for now, let's have naman po review for the first summative test in math for level 8 naman po. Last time we had level 7. So again, our source here is from depedclub.com. So let's try to answer po. So let's have na yung direction. It says here, choose the letter of the best answer. Write your answer on the blank before each number in algebraic expression. So that one means exponent. Okay, this one. And then such as x, and then that will be x squared. Okay, so it means this one, it's written as x squared po. Okay, number 1, so it says here which item is quantitative data. Okay, so again for our quantitative, we'll have number of siblings. Okay, so as long as that you can count on it, quantity from the word itself. Next, number 2, find the mean of 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, so remember again our mean, that is average. Okay, so when they say mean, again, that's average. So for getting the average, we'll have the summation of, okay, summation of n, or x over n. So we just need to add 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10. And then divide it kung ilan pong number yung plinas natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we got here 4 plus 6, 10, 18, 18, 28 over 4. Okay, so 28 over 4, that is equal to 7. Okay, next, when you say median naman po, median is middle value. Okay, so middle value, you have to arrange your numbers either increasing or decreasing order po. So we have 1, 3, 5. Okay, we got 1, 3, 5. We got 7, and 9. Okay, so middle value natin will be 5, yung nasa gitna. Next, number 4, find the mode. Okay, so when you say mode po, that is the most repeated frequency. So we have 2, or highest frequency, 2, 4, 4, 5, 7, 7, 7. So mode is kung alin po yung may highest frequency, or kung alin yung may pinakamadaming na ulit. Highest frequency. Okay, so for this one, we have 3, 7. So that will be our mode. Next, number 5, what should be done first before finding the median of an ungrouped dataset? Okay, so just like I said a while ago, if you're going to find yung median natin or yung ating middle value, so you have to arrange your values in order po. It's either increasing or decreasing. You will still get the same answer. Number 6, if every value in a data set appears only once, what is the mode? Okay, so if all the values are not repeated, tas tig-isa lang po siya, so it means you will not have mode on your data. There is no mode. Next, 7. Translate the phrase 9 more than x into algebraic expression. More than means dagdag. Okay, so that will be addition. So 9 more than x, so that will be x plus 9. Next, in the expression, 3x plus 13, which number is the constant? Okay, remember, constant po is, it has a fixed value, it cannot change. So, or simply that is a whole number. Okay, or a number, an integer. 13. Any number without any variables on it. Next, number 9, which term is similar to 5a squared? Okay, so when you say similar po, it has exactly the same variable and exponent. Okay, so we'll have here. So again, this will be 5a squared. Okay, so again, when you say similar, exactly the same. Same variables and exponent. Okay, so for this one, we'll have letter C, negative 3a squared. Okay, so yung letter D, though it's also a, pero yung exponent po niya ay naka-cube. So, hindi pa din siya. So, again, kailangan same variable kung x, and then kung exponent niya ay 2, 2 din po dapat for me to say that they are similar terms. Next, number 10. Simplify 4x plus negative 9x. So, different sign, we have to subtract. We'll get here negative 5x. Okay, so again, 4 plus negative 9, that is negative 5. Next, 11, simplify 7a minus 3b plus 2a plus 5b. So 7a plus 2a, we get 9a. And then negative 3 plus 5, so that will be positive 2b. Okay, we get letter D. Next, number 12, simplify 3x squared plus 5x minus 1 plus negative x squared plus 2x plus 4. So we got 3x squared plus negative x squared, we got 2x squared. We got 5x plus 2x, that will be 7x. Then negative 1 plus 4, that will be positive 3. Okay, so for number 12, we'll have letter C. Next, 13, apply the product rule, x to the 4 times x cubed. Okay, so for our product rule, add the exponent. Okay, so we got 4 plus 3, we got 7. So x raised to the 7th power. Okay, so for number 13, we got letter C. Next, 14. Find the product. Okay, so just multiply first our coefficient. We get 3 times negative 2. Okay, so 3 times negative 2, we got negative 6. A squared times A, we got A cubed. B times B cubed, that will be B to the 4th. Okay, so for number 14, we'll have letter A, negative 6A cubed B to the 4th. 15, okay, if we're going to divide, so quotient rule natin is to subtract exponent. Okay, subtract the exponent, we get y to the 6y squared, so 6 minus 2, that will be 4, y to the 4th power. Number 16, x squared over x to the 5th with positive exponent. So we got 2 minus 5, that will be x raised to the negative 3. Okay, so to make it exponent, just reciprocal, 1 over x cubed. Letter A. Find the product. Okay, so if we have monomial and binomial, so we got 2x times x plus 5. So just use distributive property. 2x squared, 2x times 5, that will be 10x. So 2x squared times plus 10x. Okay, and then number 18, simplify 12a cubed minus 8a squared over 4a. So that one, you have to separate po yung ating terms since your denominator is a monomial. So you can write that as 12a cubed over 4a minus 8a squared over 4a. So we got 12 divided by 4, we get 3. A cubed over a, that will be a squared, minus 8 over 4, that will be 2a. So 3a squared minus 2a. Okay, so we got letter C. Okay, next, number 19. So we got x plus 3 and x plus 4. So binomial by binomial, you have to do FILE method. So we have different ways on how we can solve this, but let's use FILE method. So we got x times x squared plus 4x, 3 times x, 3x, then 4 times 3, we got 12. So we got x squared plus 7x plus 12. All positive. Okay, so that one is letter B. Okay, so number 20, we'll do the same. So again, x times x, we got x squared. X times 5, we got 5x. Negative 2 times x, we got negative 2x. Negative 2 times 5, that will be negative 10. So we got x squared plus 3x minus 10. So we got letter B. Okay, so for dividing our polynomial by binomial. Okay, so you can also factor. If it's factorable, factor it out. Okay, so factor of 6, that will be 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5x. So you get x plus 3 and x plus 2 over x plus 2. Ayan, so cancel the common factor. So the remaining, that will be your answer. X plus 3. 22. A fare has a fixed amount of 13 pesos plus 3 pesos for every extra kilometer X. Which expression represents the fare? Okay, so we'll have here 13 pesos plus. Okay, so this will be your constant. Okay, plus 3 pesos for every extra kilometer. So every extra kilometer, so that will be our independent variable. So this will be our x. So we'll have 3x, 3 pesos for every kilometer. So 3x plus 13. Okay, letter C. Next, for the data, 12, 14, 14, 15, which statement is correct? Okay, so we have the mean is 14 and there is no mode. Okay, so for letter A, it's already wrong because it says here no mode. We have mode here, which is 14. Letter B, the mean is 15 while the median and mode are both 14. So mode is 14, so let's check our median. I mean mean if it's correct. So 12 plus 14 plus 14 plus 15 plus 20 over, we get 5 given. Okay, so we have here 12 plus 14, that is 26 plus 14, 40 plus 15, 55 plus 20, that is 75 over 5, that is equal to 15. Okay, this is correct. This is correct. How about the median? So median natin, middle term 14. Okay, so our answer will be letter B. The mean is 15 while the median and mode are both 14. Next 24, simplify 8m minus 5 minus 3m plus 2. So we got 8m minus 3m, that is 5m. Then we got negative 5 minus positive 2, that is negative 7. Okay, so we got letter A. Which term can be combined with 8m squared n? Okay, so this is 8m squared n. So we can only combine it with similar term. Okay, so similar with it is letter B, m squared n. Yep, I hope you pass your test, summative test, and I hope you learn something from me. So like, share, and follow for more. Thank you guys.